Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you a handy feature of the BenQ board, the ability to use your remote as a laser pointer, a spotlight, or even as an air mouse to control the cursor on your screen. To activate the laser pointer, aim the remote at the board and press the upper right-hand button. This turns the pointer on. The pointer also functions as a mouse, allowing you to open apps or select items. Now you can point out anything on the screen. To switch to spotlight mode, press the left or right arrow button on the remote. You can use the up and down arrow to change the size of the spotlight. To go back to the laser pointer, simply press the left or right arrow again. The air mouse, pointer, and spotlight will all work with a connected laptop. When you're done, press the same upper right button to turn the pointer off. That's it for how to use the remote control as a pointer, spotlight, or air mouse. If you want to learn more about the BenQ Board Pro RPO5, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.